तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
So guys, today I am at this AWS office of Bangalore, and I'll show the office. You can see behind me. It's a whole, whole empire building. You can see that. See how big it is. I'll show you from inside. So stay tuned for that. Today is the AWS Community Day, so we are here. Let's see. So guys, I am officially in the AWS Amazon office, and today I'll show you how it's look like. Today first we have the breakfast, and I got this badge. So let me just take a tour of this AWS campus. So I'm the early bird today, so I got the opportunity to take the suit. So let me show you, like, this is the Bagmane park, and if you see, these are all rooftop area. So basically, Amazon known for their perks. You get everything when you are working in Amazon, especially in AWS.
पैसा ही पैसा होगा।
So this is how look like. See how penne for your thoughts, penne pasta, which I like the most. Now 8:47 is done, so I'll take you the tour, and we have to reach by 9. So the good thing is that, so you can see this one now set up. And this is me. So here you got everything like fruits, everything from Kana. So yeah, this is food compartment. So every kind of food you'll get, veg, non-veg. I mean, it's a buffet. So it's actually morning early, so people are coming, and yeah, let's see. These are all stores, but we don't have even today breakfast. We're gonna do that. There is a buffet is going on, so we'll do the buffet breakfast, and let's see. These are some paintings. You see this, feel the imagination, and then it's kind of cool. So actually I have to do the and let's see how it's going on. So we have to reach by 9. So all people are gathered, as you can see. first I have to grab my bag and then let's see. So this is what setup is going on. I mean, I have to do first breakfast and let's see. These are the bread. That's cool, isn't it? So they have the different stores. I mean the MongoDB and this one is cool. See? And obviously these are the ones who made it. And this is me. So yeah, first I'll grab the what is it called? My bag. And I mean you get everything while you're working, everything. You don't have to go outside. So yeah, let's just grab my bag and let's go.
ये डायरी का थोड़ा
Please, snowflakes please.
No, this green diary is giving.
Okay, this is the strategy. But government is now very direct to the bank, actually on tax. But enough to one know that there's a bank for payment. Okay, so this is a beautiful manipulation.
As Ignesh was saying, more than 10 people cannot go in a minute, right? There is a queue. They are also supposed to leave this. He was late.
Hey guys, today I attend the Amazon AWS Community Day and I'll show you the full bag of the goodies I get, which is from AWS side, and I'll show you what I get. So just stay tuned. So everybody are like exciting for the end of the day, the goodies, what goodies they got. So I'm working in AWS and I got these goodies and I won a lot of competition today, quiz competition, so I got double of the goodies. So I'll show you. So there are a lot of sponsor or also there they give the goodies also. So I'll talk about the first sponsor or gift, Snowflake. This is Snowflake side, and I'll show you the quickly from I'll unboxing what is inside there. So it's very nice, and the thing is the more I give you one tips. If you want more goodies, no, you should be very good in the quiz, very fast and very prompt. So I'll be just quickly open because I can't wait to see you guys. So yeah, this is a very nice bag from Snowflake. I mean, yeah, it's very nice and handy. See, I mean, so cool, huh? Isn't it? So very nice. And I needed one bag, so this big bag I got from the quiz. I take a participate 10 question and I got all major 9 correct and I got a first. So just keep aside and see the next. So next one is the next sponsor from New Relic, and I got a diary from there. So there also quizzes there, so you have to take participate, and if you won then you got a book diary. So its pen is also there and a diary. Fortunately I take two types time quiz and I got 2 diaries. So that's a top of bonus for me, like I got 2 diaries. So yeah, the next things I got from again again snowflake. As you can see, this is the diary and this is the contest. Very quick different contest is there, and I got the diary. And I like the mountain diary because I like the hiking, I like the travel, so I like this very much. So today day is very wonderful, and I have this badge from AWS side, you can see. So we have wonderful meal. It's very heavy meal, like lunch, breakfast, lunch, and tea, snacks, and dinner. Next thing is like next is the socks. This is from MongoDB's cloud, so they also sponsoring the event. I like this socks so much because they are very cool color, green color, and the design you can see, you know. So I, and on top of that I got also 300 credits in the MongoDB cloud. So this is very nice. I like this socks, and I'll wear it from tomorrow itself. So this is the next, and let's see what is this. So this is from AWS side, and it's a bag, and it's a big bag. I'll show you. So yeah, it's very like, you know, but everything you can put it down. It's from AWS side, and oh my god, it's so cool. I like the color. It's a AWS community builder Bangalore. So I am the community part of from different groups. I'm from Ahmedabad group, Hyderabad also, and the Pune also. And I got the stickers. Well, I like the most stickers. So yeah, this is the serverless side, and this is the all the Lambda which is I use the most. And you can see my bottle. Even I have the, you know, stickers, so I use a lot of stickers. I like stickers. Let's go to the next thing, which is uh, the t-shirt from Jack and Jones, and it's a community, uh, AWS community Bangalore. So this is also the good nice t-shirt from. So yeah, let's see what else we have. So yep, these are badges from AWS Community Builder. On top of that, I also got one books when the quiz is going on. So I won that quiz. But the thing is that book is read, so I give it to my my new friend, and I mentioned down below here. You can check it out, the photo, and it's nice. We won the quiz competition. This one and this one and this one. So I collect a lot of stickers. So I also got that free goodies. Obviously, anyone like that. And if you see my this tote bag is also from AWS side. So yeah, so I got this one. On top of that, I also got one pan box, the organic pans box. So it's from the snowflake set, but I gave it to the other the guy because he liked that very much. I had also, so I didn't take that much. I gave it to those people. So yeah, today event is so fruitful, and oh my god, I met a lot of people, a lot of interactive session with experts, and yeah, that's it. With full of enjoy day. Thank you so much for watching, and have stay tuned for the next video.